When you're facing criminal charges, having a knowledgeable defense team is vital. David E. Stanley, APLC, offers a variety of criminal defense services, including violent crimes, drug offenses, sex crimes, and vehicular homicide. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at each service and explain why having an experienced lawyer like David E. Stanley is essential for your defense. Facing charges for a violent crime can be life-altering. Crimes such as assault, robbery, and homicide come with severe penalties that can include long prison sentences, hefty fines, and permanent marks on your criminal record. In many cases, these crimes are prosecuted aggressively, often relying heavily on witness statements, physical evidence, and police reports. Violent crimes are often emotionally charged cases, but David E. Stanley knows that the details matter. Every violent crime case is different. He starts by carefully reviewing all aspects of your case. This includes examining police reports, witness statements, and any physical evidence. He will look for inconsistencies or errors in the prosecution's case, whether it's self-defense, wrongful accusations, or insufficient evidence. The goal? To build a defense that reduces your charges or clears your name entirely. With David E. Stanley, APLC, you're not just another case file. You get a personalized defense strategy designed to protect your future. Drug-related charges can have long-lasting consequences, whether you're facing accusations of possession, distribution, or trafficking. A conviction could not only lead to prison time, but also damage your personal and professional life for years to come. David E. Stanley knows how to fight these charges from every angle. One of the key aspects of defending drug crime cases is challenging the evidence used against you. Were the drugs found during an illegal search? Did law enforcement follow proper procedures during your arrest? He thoroughly investigates the circumstances surrounding your case, looking for any signs of police misconduct or errors in the prosecution's case. These details can make or break a case. In some situations, alternative sentencing options like rehabilitation programs may also be available, which could offer a path forward without prison time. Being accused of a sex crime is one of the most serious and life-changing events you can experience. Crimes such as sexual assault, exploitation, or child molestation can carry severe penalties, including years in prison, hefty fines, and mandatory registration as a sex offender, which impacts every aspect of your life. David E. Stanley, APLC, understands the sensitive and complex nature of these cases. He works discreetly to gather all available evidence so that your side of the story is told. Whether it's proving consent, demonstrating that the accusations are false, or finding flaws in the prosecution's evidence, he provides a thorough and robust defense. These cases often come down to the smallest details: witness credibility, forensic evidence, and police procedures, focusing on factors that prove innocence or mitigate sentencing. A tragic car accident that results in the death of another person can lead to a charge of vehicular homicide. These cases are complex, involving everything from vehicle mechanics to road conditions, and often carry severe penalties like long-term imprisonment. But not every accident is a crime. Accident reconstruction professionals often assist in these cases, helping to determine whether the incident was due to uncontrollable circumstances or negligence. David E. Stanley's goal is to reduce charges or have them dismissed, protecting you from the harsh penalties of a conviction. Facing criminal charges, whether for violent crimes, drug offenses, sex crimes, or vehicular homicide, is a serious matter that can affect your entire future. Without a skilled lawyer, you could be at risk of harsh penalties, loss of freedom, and long-term damage to your reputation. David E. Stanley, APLC, provides personalized defense strategies that focus on protecting your rights at every stage of the legal process. He guides you from your initial consultation to courtroom representation so you receive a fair trial and the most ideal outcome. If you or someone you know is facing criminal charges, don't wait. Contact David E. Stanley, APLC, today at 2259-260-200 and let us fight for your rights.